Okay, raise your hand if this has happened to you. You walk down your block one morning, coffee in hand. And that little bakery, the one with the crooked sign and the incredible cinnamon rolls, is just gone. Shutters down, lease terminated, a for rent sign collecting dust. In its place, 6 months later, a generic smoothie chain you've seen in every airport on Earth. Maybe they couldn't keep up, maybe the sourdough wasn't good enough. But here's the thing, it wasn't the sourdough. What killed your favorite bakery was a decision made in a marble boardroom thousands of miles away. A room you've never seen, by people who've never tasted those cinnamon rolls. And today, class, we're going to trace exactly how that happened. Now, most people think local shops fail because of bad management or weak foot traffic. That's the obvious story. But let me offer you a different lens. Think of your neighborhood as a living coral reef. Colorful, diverse, fragile. Now imagine someone, far out in the deep ocean, quietly changes the water temperature by just 2 degrees. You don't see it happen. But slowly, the coral starts to bleach. That distant ocean current, it's the Federal Reserve's interest rate. Between 2022 and 2023, the Fed raised rates by 525 basis points. That's the financial equivalent of cranking up the ocean temperature by 5 degrees overnight. Suddenly, every landlord's mortgage got more expensive. Every commercial loan got heavier. And that invisible heat started flowing directly into your neighborhood's rent bill. So here's the real mystery we need to solve today. It's not, why did the bakery close? It's, how does a number on a screen in Washington, D.C. travel thousands of miles and land as a padlock on your favorite shop's door? That chain of cause and effect is hiding in plain sight. And once you see it, you will never look at a for rent sign the same way again. Alright, let's trace the dominoes. Step 1. The Fed raises rates by 525 basis points. That's enormous. Think of it like gravity suddenly getting 5 times stronger. Every building owner carrying a mortgage just felt their monthly payments surge. By late 2023, retail property cap rates climbed 40 basis points to 5.8%. Translation? Landlords now need way more rental income just to break even. So what do? They pass that crushing weight straight downhill to their tenants. Step 2. The rent bill explodes. By March 2024, 43% of U.S. small businesses couldn't pay their full rent. Let that sink in, nearly half. And 54% faced rent hikes so steep they risked being pushed out entirely. Your bakery owner isn't lazy. She's drowning. The ocean floor just rose 3 feet, and she's standing on tiptoe. But here's where it gets truly structural. Landlords aren't just raising rents randomly. They're being selective about who survives. Step 3, and this is the plot twist. Institutional investors now own 33% of U.S. retail real estate, up from 22% in 2010. These aren't your local landlords. These are Wall Street funds with spreadsheets, not relationships. They demand tenants with investment-grade credit ratings, BBB- or higher. Your bakery doesn't have a credit rating. Starbucks does. So who gets the lease? Between 2017 and 2023, roughly 108,000 mom-and-pop stores closed. Independent shops pay 15 to 30% more rent than chains if they're even offered a lease at all. The system isn't broken. It's working exactly as designed, just not for your neighborhood. We often think a closed shop just lost a local popularity contest. We assume capitalism always favors the best local product. But that is the illusion. The verified reality is entirely different. Your neighborhood is no longer a simple local marketplace. It has become a highly sensitive bond market. Landlords are now forced to filter strictly for corporate credit scores. So what does this mean for your daily walk? It means independent charm is being actively priced out by global finance. When borrowing costs spike, neighborhood diversity automatically shrinks. The quirky bakery simply cannot survive the financial gravity of institutional debt. Only giant corporate chains have the financial armor to withstand this invisible pressure. So the next time you walk down your local main street, look closely. You aren't just looking at storefronts anymore. You are looking at a living, breathing map of global bond yields. If you want that quirky local bakery to survive, your support matters more than ever. Class dismissed, and I'll see you in the next lecture.